Emotional replacement isn't about finding someone new. It's about reassigning emotional function. Most people imagine replacement as betrayal, a person swapped for another. That's rarely how it actually happens. What gets replaced first isn't the relationship. It's the role you played. Before someone leaves, they slowly stop using you to regulate emotion. They stop processing stress with you. They stop seeking validation from you. They stop orienting their inner world around your presence. That function doesn't disappear. It relocates. Sometimes to work, sometimes to friends, sometimes to distraction, sometimes to someone else. But the key shift is psychological, not romantic. This is why replacement feels invisible at first. There's no announcement, no obvious betrayal, just a quiet withdrawal of emotional reliance. Once that reliance moves, the attachment loosens. And when attachment loosens, the relationship becomes optional. This explains why people often say, "I still care about you. I didn't mean to hurt you. It just changed." They're not lying. They're describing a completed transition. By the time the breakup happens, the emotional replacement has already stabilized. That's why trying to compete afterward never works. You're not competing with a person. You're competing with a system that no longer needs you. Understanding this is what ends rumination. Because it shifts the question from, "What did I do wrong?" to, "When did my emotional role change?" That's a different level of clarity. And it's not meant to punish you. It's meant to free you. Once you see replacement as a process, not a judgment, you stop chasing explanations. You stop personalizing indifference. And you stop waiting for someone who already reorganized their inner world. That's where emotional independence begins. Not when you feel better, but when you understand what actually happened. Sit with that.